Hello, 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 everyone. This week we are going to practice our verbs, furniture, and rooms. And in this week's pack, you get one beautiful video of the verbs, and you hear my voice, and I want you to listen and repeat. And then in the second assignment for this week, I give you some homework. Okay? The homework is a worksheet of furniture and the rooms in our house. And what furniture we put in which room. Now, do you remember the bedroom? In our bedroom, we did a picture. Remember, we did a picture of a bed and a ball and a lamp. Very good. Now, I want you to go to the next video and practice your verbs, and after, do the homework on furniture and rooms. Okay, see you next week for another story. Bye.